In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a community in Microsoft Teams. Deleting a community is a simple process, but it's important to understand what you're doing before you actually remove it. Because once it's gone, you may lose conversations, shared files, and member access linked to that community. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part of the process slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device and make sure you're signed in with the account that owns or manages the community you want to delete. You'll need the appropriate permissions, usually as the creator or an admin of that community. If you don't see the option to delete it, it may be because you don't have the right access, and you might need to contact the person who originally set it up. Next, locate the community you'd like to remove. In the Teams interface, look along the left-hand side or in your communities list until you see the specific community name. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct one, especially if you have several communities with similar titles. Once you've found it, look for the three dots icon next to the community name. This is usually called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. When you do, a small menu will appear with several actions you can take for that community. In that menu, look for the option labeled Delete Community. Click on Delete Community. At this point, Teams may display a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete it. This is your chance to pause and think. Deleting a community typically removes the associated chats, posts, and potentially some linked resources for all members. If you're certain this is the community you want to remove and you're ready to proceed, confirm the deletion in the prompt. The exact wording of the confirmation may vary slightly, but you'll usually have to click a button like Delete or Yes to finalize it. Once you confirm, Microsoft Teams will process the request and the community will disappear from your list. After it's deleted, that community will no longer be available for you or for any of its members. If this is part of a cleanup process, consider informing your community members beforehand so they're not surprised when it's gone. And that's all there is to it. Click on the three dots, choose Delete Community, confirm, and your community is removed from Microsoft Teams.